My topic is types of carps. Carps are the largest freshwater species across the Central Asia. Introduction of carps into many countries make them widely distributed species across all over the world. And they are extensively farmed in Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. And these are a popular angling fish. However, in North America, Canada, and Australia, this fish is the common pest species. In India, polyculture has traditionally been dependent on the three native carp species and possessing complementary feeding habits. First one is the surface feeder Katla and the column feeder Labio rohida, and its common name is Labio rohida, and the bottom feeder Murgal. Its scientific name is Cyrnus murgala. From this picture, we can understand that types of carps, and we are grouped into two subgroups. First is Indian major carp, which include Katla, Rohu, and Murgal, and the next group is exotic carp. Exotic carps are the carp species which is introduced our country from other countries. It is common carp, silver carp, and grass carp. Firstly, we can go through Indian major carps. Indian major carps includes Katla, Rohu, and Murgal. Firstly, it is Katla. Katla belongs to the order Cypriniformes and family Cyprinidae. The Katla is planktivorous fish that feed on zooplankton. It lives in the upper layer of the water and it is a surface feeder. And this species has big head and deep body when compared to other Indian carp, like this picture. Next one is Labio rohida. Its common name is Rohu. Its order is also Cypriniformes and family Cyprinidae. Rohu is a column feeder which feeds on both phytoplankton as well as zooplankton. It grows rapidly and reach 1 kg within 1 year. Its head is smaller than that of Katla with a terminal mouth like this picture. The body is longer than Katla and slightly pinkish. Dorsal profile is more convex and eyes are reddish. The next Indian major carp is Cyrnus cirrhosis. Its common name is Murgal. This fish also comes under the family Cyprinidae and order Cypriniformes. The Murgal is bottom feeder and feeds on detritus in the bottom. The head is smaller and the body longer than in Katla for a similar size fish. The body is streamlined and the abdomen is rounded with deeply forked caudal fin. Caudal fin is otherwise known as tail. Subterminal mouth with non-fringed lips. And body color is generally white with pinkish fins. The color of eye is always golden. That is the salient features of this species. And some common characteristics of Indian major carps. The natural food. The larval stages of carp feed on zooplankton. Carp readily accepted formulated pelleted feed also. However, in commercial pond culture, natural food forms a major part of their diet. Other species, common carp, the major Chinese carp, which include silver and grass carp, and some smaller Indian carp species can be stocked in polyculture along with the three Indian major carps. Next is exotic carps. Exotic carps are the fishes which are introduced fishes into our country, and it includes grass carp, silver carp, etc. First one is silver carp. Its scientific name is Hypothalmictis mollitrix. It is introduced in Indian waters from China. It is the fastest growing carp, almost indigenous and exotic fishes. It attains to 3.5 and 5 kg in first, second and third year respectively. The head is small and pointed. The lower lip is protruded, like this picture. Its lower lip is slightly protruded forward, and upper lip is slightly bifurcated. It is a surface feeder and feed primarily on phytoplankton. Their use in commercial farming is on the decline because of their flesh deteriorates rapidly after harvest. Next exotic carp is Ctenopharyngodon idella. It is otherwise known as grass carp. Its body is oblong and fairly compressed. A head is small and pointed. Mouth is upturned. Grow very fast when sufficient macrovegetation is available. Growth slows when these fishes are offered only on supplementary feed. They may be used as low densities in commercial culture to manage weeds. Grass carp are mainly employed in perennial reservoirs, tanks, and ponds that are usually infested with aquatic weeds. Next is common carp. Common carp scientific name is Cyprinus carpio. It is most cultured species across India and other countries. This common carp, Cyprinus carpio, has been cultured in polyculture with Indian major carp and also used in monoculture also. It has large pectoral fin and tapering dorsal fin running down the last 2/3 of its body. Head is triangular with blunt snout and thick nose plate. And this common carps are omnivorous and bottom feeder fish. It is also a hardy fish which can tolerate higher levels of environmental conditions. So it is the most preferred species in culture. And these are the major types of carp species cultured in the world. My topic is over. Thank you.